This portion of Off Grid Whiskey brought to you by Dewalt 60V Chainsaw. It is on the fritz.
Eat steak and drink whiskey.
Welcome to Off Grid Whiskey, you big bunch of circle jerkers. The Dewalt puked out on me. See this? The Sprocket. It needs a washer and a nut. And I've had this for, I'm not tossing your salad, 4 years. And if they fell off, I lost them down in the brush. And I got on a forum, everybody says they come off all the time. So, got to replace that. Got blue Loctite. But look close. Look at that spindle. Look at a brand new one. That Sprocket. I think I should replace that. And I've never done that before. Thank you, Conway Twitty. I can tell you've never been this far before. So, but I think I've got to take this plate off. I didn't watch any YouTube videos because everybody on YouTube is a bunch of... All right, after extensive cleaning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Allen head bolts holding this little piece of plastic. And that's got to be how you take that spindle out. Sprocket. So I'm using my Disco Fancy Hexel key set that I keep on the squat rocket at all times, a TW200 that you know and love. There's a, hey, by the way, brass, there's a playlist, Embraettes, if you're into that. A lot of TW action. Ah, that one fit. Nice. All right, I got the first Michael Bolton out, and you could use a flathead screwdriver. So one of these, hex or screwdriver, don't lose anything. You gotta be rim jobbing me. Out of the 5 bolts, the one, this doesn't fit at all. So I'm gonna find a flathead screwdriver. It always happens like that. The last bolt. Thank you, Michael Bolton, by the way. The power of Bolton compels me.
How dare you?
There we go, brand new flathead. I do have the foreskin sight to always, when I go to hazard fraught, I always buy a Phillips and a flathead. Put them in every door, every rig. They're cheap. Let's see if this fits. Broke loose. Looks like I broke loose your mama's. Oh, it's magnetic too. That's disco fancy. I just consulted the 37th President of the United States, looking a little peakish, but Richard Milhouse Nixon's there. He said, you push until something gives. And it feels like there's a bolt right there. Is. Oh, man. You see that right there? There's a bolt. Wow. I'm glad I didn't push hard. Retard. Right there, there's a hidden. So there's 6 total. I'm glad they give you the option of using a flathead screwdriver. Still got the tagger here, by the way.
Look, see? Still got the old tagger on it. See, never even played it. See?
You just bought it?
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I wasn't touching it.
No, don't touch it.
I was just pointing at it.
Well, don't point even.
Oh, yeah, duh. Wow. Way easy. Okay, there's the spindle action. The Sprocket! Man, I just want to call it a spindle so bad. Oh, yeah, it's under a lot of tension from right there. This piece right there. Come on. Oh, they fit. Okay, there, right there. You see that? Let's pull this out, like I pulled it out of your mama's. Oh, yeah, right there. Delicate surgery.
I like surgery.
Let's just put this one back in. Everything looks good. It goes one way right there. Okay, let's just put it right back in the slot. There, right there. Walk away. Perfect. Put it back together. Shut up. There's the 6-1 going in. Now it's a matter of putting that washer right on top of the Sprocket. Thank you. And they say you gotta Loctite it. That's why they fall off so much. I can't believe I went 4 years. This chainsaw's been flawless, by the way, 4 years. Just pour it in the hole already. Ah, don't tell me they sent me something that doesn't fit. It doesn't want to go in at all. Wow. Stay tuned.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert!
Oh my God, you go left. Because of reverse technology, man.
I'm retarded?
Wrong way, Conway. Right there. Done.
And as I put my arms around you, I can tell you've never been this far before.